Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Rana Liaquat Ali Khan Government College of Home Economics, the most prestigious and prominent college of Sindh. Due to COVID, it is not possible to conduct orientation program physically. Hence, we decided to give a virtual orientation for our new students so that they become familiar to the college. Let's take a quick look to the history of the college. Rana Liaquat Ali Khan Government College of Home Economics started in 1952 with the support from Ford Foundation, USA and APWA. Ford Foundation provide all the funds for the building, books and training of the staff, while Pakistan government provide land. The first batch of the student was admitted in 1955. Master's education started in 1961, nationalized in 1972. What is home economics? This is the most frequently asked question. Home economics is a multidisciplinary and integrative field of study with emphasis on science applied to the real world of the home, family, and community. It's a lifestyle education that prepares the learner to make appropriate personal lifestyle decisions, as well as train her for the career and the business that empower others to make befitting lifestyle choice. College has a spacious auditorium which was constructed in 2002. This is administration and the principal's office. Students can get information about admission or exam form submission from here, but students are prohibited to sit or roam around this area. All the science and humanities classes are held in this building, known as SHB, Science and Humanities Block. This is the building where home management and education and research departments are situated.
This is the picture of nutrition and dietetics department.
And here we have a picture of apparel and textile department. This is art and interior design department. This is family and human development department. Students have to move from one department to another according to their timetable to take their respective classes. We have well-organized library. It has 14,000 books, and there is also a facility for the students to access internet. There are 2 separate computer labs, and we also have residence block. There is a semi-covered cafeteria where a student can get their snacks during the college hour. At the same area, we have photocopy shop and bookshop to facilitate students. There are 6 major departments of home economics: apparel and textile, art and interior design, family and human development, nutrition and dietetics, residential management and entrepreneurship, home economics education and research. Apparel and Textile Department is headed by Ms. Mahlaka Afreen. These are the courses which are offered by Apparel and Textile Department at BS level: Advanced Clothing, Advanced Textile, Marketing and Merchandising, Experimental Textiles, Fashion and Apparel Designing, Textile Designing and Printing, Fashion Merchandising, and Textile Chemistry. Miss Azra Farooqi is the head of the Department of Art and Interior Design. These are the courses offered by Art and Interior Design Department: Art and Design in Daily Life, History of Architecture, Islamic Art and Architecture, Color in Interior, Computer Aided Design, Fundamentals of Interior Design, Furniture in Interior, Arts and Craft in Interior Decoration, Art in Pakistan, Interior Design Standards, and Art Education. These are the professional scope in art and interior design: interior designer, architect, CAD and CAM designer, web designer, furniture designer, ceramic designer, production designer, jewelry designer, fine artist, printmaker, event manager, event planner, exhibition designer, medical illustrator, color consultant, art and design educator. Family and Human Development Department is head by Ms. Shahina Sumro. The courses which are offered at BS level are Human Development, Guidance and Counseling, Family Ecology, Sociology, Special Children and Rehabilitation, Crisis Management in Families, Physiology, Personality and Behavior, Family and Community Development. Professional scope in Family and Human Development are Family Career Counselor, Human Resource Coordinator, Social Worker, Assistant to Counselors and Psychologist, Child Care Provider or Coordinator, Crisis Intervention or Effective Community Worker, Consumer Advocate, Volunteer or Activist in Human Rights and Fundraising Programs, Life Skills Facilitators, and Rehabilitation Worker. Nutrition and Dietetics Department is head by Ms. Fahima Fatma. Courses offered at BS level by Nutrition and Dietetics Department are Public Health Nutrition, Experimental Foods, Institutional Management, Advanced Nutrition, Dietetics, Nutrition through Life Cycle, and Emergency Nutrition. Professional scope in Nutrition and Dietetics: Clinical and Consultant Dietitian, Nutritionist Food Service Operations, Public Health Nutritionist, Recipe Developer or Food Stylist, Food Quality Control Manager or Dietetic Manager, Restaurant Manager, and Culinary Expert. Residential Management and Entrepreneurship Department is head by Ms. Shehnaz Javed. Courses offered at BS level are Development of Home Economics Education, Consumer Science, Essentials of Management, Management of Living Spaces, Fundamentals Marketing, Management of Institutions. Professional scope in Residential Management and Entrepreneurship are Housekeeping Managers for Hotels, Hospitals, Lodges, Event and Project Manager, Human Resource Manager, Program Manager for Rural Support and Education Extension Programs, Environmental Manager, Small Business Manager. Home Economics Education and Research Department is head by Ms. Khalda Jumani. The courses offered at BS level are Home Management and Housing, Management of Residential Spaces, Teaching Home Economics, administration and supervision of home economics education, human resource management, environmental management, project management, computing, statistics, and research methodology. Humanities Department. It is headed by Ms. Sohaila Hassan. These compulsory subjects are taught in BS program 4-year course in different semesters: Functional English, Islamic Studies, Urdu and Pakistan Studies. Science Department is headed by Ms. Mahjabeen Saud. These science subjects are taught in different semesters of BS program: Chemistry, Biochemistry, and Physiology. Sports and Games. College has well-maintained sports ground and a badminton hall. Qualified physical training instructor supervises students' physical training regularly. Our teams had participated and won several events of national and international games. Internship and research work. Students in 7th and 8th semester undergo internship experience, which is compulsory. All the departments has 2 internships, but in the Nutrition and Dietetics department there are 3 internships. Research thesis is compulsory and is required to be carried out in the last year of specialization.
Students Affair Committee. The in charge is Ms. Ghazala Naeem, Assistant Professor, Art and Interior Design. Students' Council. The Student Council is an organized body which plays an important role in college curricular and co-curricular activities. It is established by a Student Affair Committee and run by students. It comprised of President, and General Secretary.
BS Committee, a very important committee which deals with all issues related to BS. Very dedicated members work under the supervision of Ms. Azra Farooqi, Associate Professor, Art and Interior Design Department, and co-in charge Ms. Hena Wamiq. Rules and regulations for students. Uniform. Proper uniform is mandatory. Dupatta and scarf of the same color should be worn. White or black shoes with the white socks are allowed. Any discolored shoes, scarves, sandals, jewelry and makeup are not allowed. Students are directed to follow SOPs of COVID-19 and wear masks in the college premises. Students shall enter the college premises at 8 a.m. daily. The gate will be closed by 8:15. Due to COVID-19, morning assembly is suspended. Latecomers will be issued warning, and after 3 warnings, the student will be suspended. Wearing ID card is compulsory inside the college premises. A student should attend the class regularly. Mobile phones are prohibited in the college premises. Students are responsible of maintaining general cleanliness in classrooms, corridors and open spaces by refraining from throwing trash of any kind around. Outsiders are not permitted to enter the college premises without prior permission of the principal. If any student is taking any specific medicine, she has to keep her medicine in her bag. No medicine will be provided by the college. This is a picture of college website. All informations related to admission and exams are posted here. We also have official college Facebook page. Here you can get informations related to college. Thank you for staying with us. Fi Aman Allah.